Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple, and in this short video I'm going to show you how I made this delicious spicy goat meat pepper soup. This one is very healthy and delicious. Please make sure you watch from the start till the end and also help me to share the video as well. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, my goat meat is already washed. I have shaki, ring, intestine, fuku, everything inside, even liver as well. So I added salt and then some seasoning. I'm going to stir and put on the fire and let it start cooking. So here I have my alligator pepper and calabash nutmeg. It is very important to use both in this recipe, okay, for your pepper soup to give it that taste. So now my meat is still cooking. I added my pepper, my dried pepper, I added onions, and now I am going to also blend the calabash nutmeg and alligator pepper and add to it as well. So I'm going to stir carefully and then cover to let cook. Trust me guys, this pepper soup is everything. It is a must try. You can eat it with rice, yam, starch, whichever thing you want. You can also eat it like that. So I added my seasoning again and a little amount of salt, and guys, that's it. The soup is ready. That's how I prepare this delicious spicy goat meat pepper soup you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok with the same name, Mama Triple N. See you in my next video. Bye.